Incredible health benefits of celery. Celery lowers cholesterol level and arthritis pains, helps in weight loss, detoxifies the body, reduces the high blood pressure, and promotes overall health in vast number of ways. It is rich in vitamin C and hence extremely beneficial. Celery is a plant of Apiaceae family and it is a plant consumed as a vegetable that can be found throughout the world and as an integral part of certain cultures' cuisine. Celery is known for its incredibly low calorie nutrition and it is often used in dips, salads, soups, and many other dishes. Reduced blood pressure. Celery contains phthalides, which are organic chemical compounds that can lower the level of stress hormones in your blood. This allows your blood vessels to expand, giving your blood more room to move, thereby reducing the pressure. When blood pressure is reduced, it puts less stress on the entire cardiovascular system and reduces the chance of developing atherosclerosis or suffering from a heart attack or a stroke. Reduce cholesterol. Eating celery every day may reduce artery-clogging cholesterol. The phthalides in this herb also stimulate the secretion of bile juice, which works to reduce cholesterol levels. Less cholesterol means less plaque on the artery walls and a general improvement in the heart health. Antiseptics. Celery seeds help in elimination of uric acid because it is commonly used for its diuretic properties, meaning that it stimulates urination. Therefore, celery is good for people with bladder disorders, kidney problems, cystitis, and other similar conditions. Celery seeds also assist in preventing urinary tract infections in women. Healthy joints. Celery is great for people suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, and gout. It had anti-inflammatory properties that help in reduce swelling and pain around the joints. Celery sticks also as a diuretic which helps to remove uric acid crystals that build up around the body joints that can add to the pain and discomfort of frequent joint use. It can also increase the regrowth of tissues in inflamed joints. Prevents cancer. Celery contains phthalides, flavonoids, and polyacetylens. These cancer-fighting components detoxify the carcinogens. Celery also contains coumarins that enhance the activity of certain white blood cells, which can effectively stave off cancer as well.